Welcome back to the channel. This video is simply to help you understand what is a Gartley pattern. So a Gartley pattern is exactly this shaped structure in front of you. It looks a little bit like it has some form of wings. It looks pretty geometrical because it is. And I'll show you what it is component-wise broken down into across the page. So a Gartley pattern is a harmonic pattern which has a key feature. Every harmonic pattern must have this structure in it. So this structure has a, if I can label it up, so we have an A, a B, a C, and a D. Now, every Gartley pattern is a ABCD. The only exception is the Gartley pattern has this anchor point, X. Now I've drawn this as a buying Gartley. You got the same thing on the flip side. Let me just add the familiar wings. And then on the flip side, we do it this way: anchor, X, B, C, D. Label it up again. Now, this is where the other side to it comes in. So 60% of the time, AB equals CD. These are the tried and tested analysis that I've gotten together and the years of experience. So D, let me write down, get my little D, is either at the 61.8% or the 78.6% fig retracement of XA. So this here, if I get my Fibonacci tool and measure, knowing my luck, it won't be there, but it is because I've drawn it out several times. So as you can see, you draw X to A, and price has fallen to the 61% retracement. The same thing here on this example is fallen to the 78.6% retracement. In the other videos on the ABCDs, you do get the extensions where the CD leg, if it's not 60% of the time equal to AB, there is an extension. And then looking at those two patterns again, looking at those two again, and then seeing what's on the chart to the left, a properly marked up pattern that's playing out. This is the power of harmonics, and this is the Gartley BUY pattern.